So I just want to show you guys what the unboxing experience will be like and how the packaging and everything comes into this. So it comes with a quick start guide and the cardboard right here. You open up. This is the manual. Has a sponge here, cleaning solution, deodorizing cleaning solution, and charging cables right here. One of the kind of brusher heads. So this is how it looks so far. You kind of just take the rod out. The main body. Honestly, this part is a little tough to get out. So it comes like this. I would say this is sufficient enough protection without the cardboard to worry free, yet nothing's really gonna happen during shipping. Docking pad. Has a really nice kind of cardboard, kind of blocking the things from kind of moving inside while it's being shipped. This is how it looks. All you really need is push the rod into the actual vacuum itself right here. And there you go, set up. And it really was just as easy as that. There's no other setup. There is the cable to the dock, but that's for cleaning. So this is really ready to be used right now. Just gotta put in some water. So what you should do first is basically press down on this, get this out, fill this with water. You basically lift the kind of here in the hole, water, and also put one cup head of solution into the water. So now that you put the water in, you should be aware of all the other features. Keep in mind, you should put hot water in here. You don't have to, but you should. Down here, this is where the water kind of goes into. This is where the dirty water, this is where you gotta clean. And when you click down here, this brings it up. As you can see, there is a filter right here. This is also removable like this. This whole thing is also removable, so you can clean it very easily. This thing kind of goes back and forth, but you can take this out. All you gotta do is press these apart a little, and then you can slip on out. You do that same, you can slip it back in. This part here, it is also removable. And also, as you can see, it has a little neat suction cups that when you put it back in, it gets a really tight seal, so none of the things are gonna be going anywhere. So really intelligent design too, not to mention like when you get this out, it might be kind of awkward to kind of hold, which is why they designed the handle, a little handle right here to be carried around this way as well. Same thing with the tank down here is a little handle right here. And at the bottom, if you want to clean it, you basically press on this and down. It comes on out all the way and you can exchange this and really get a new one or just clean this one. And all you have to do is, there's a tab right here, kind of pull on it and this whole thing kind of comes out. And they're like that. Only features you really need to be aware of is the kind of charger right in here. And this is how you operate the actual thing, the power button, and this is extra water. Also, another feature is that it can stand up on its own. When you need to use it, you slink it back, and that's how you use it. I'm gonna start it up now. You can see there's a little bit of wet marks at the back. I'm barely touching this thing and this thing wants to go. This is automatically, pushing forward. See the demonstration right now. It is not on the floor, but if I lift it, it's gonna automatically start running because it's pulling you forward. And this is about the water you should be expecting. So it took around maybe 10 minutes and my floor is mostly dry already, so it's pretty good in that respect. The last thing I would go over is just the self-cleaning. I think you press this button and it should self-clean. So all you gotta do is press and hold the power button for 3 seconds before it starts to initiate the self-cleaning process. There you go, starting to self-clean. As you can see in here, that's about how loud you should expect it to be. As you can see, it is being cleaned. You can see all the soap and water using it to clean the brush. It continues for a while. It does a second pass. So it cleans the brush with water 2 times. And there you go, that's finished. So overall, I'm pretty impressed with this vacuum, especially the self-cleaning. That would be really convenient because I don't have to do anything after I mop, because that's the last thing you want. You do all the work and then you have to do even more work to clean it. So yeah, I really love this vacuum so far, so I highly recommend it.